Today we'll talk about how can you disable private account on your Dream app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on this sign down here. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You come here to private account. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see, color show for us has my private account enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.